My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. The stock market has now notched 3 straight weeks of losses. The S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ have been on a decline with this war in Iran and have notched 3 straight weeks of consecutive losses in the stock market. Meanwhile, gold right now is holding steady at $5,000 an ounce, silver at $80 an ounce. Keep in mind, gold has gone up 65% in the last 12 months. Silver has gone up over 125% in just the last year. UBS came out today and forecast gold at $6,300 an ounce by the end of this year. UBS said that gold still has a 20% gain here in 2026 as this war with Iran continues. Many do not believe that this will be a quick ending to this conflict, to this war, and it's starting to look as oil prices are getting higher and higher. There are concerns about a global recession or stagflation is what many are concerned about. The Fed meeting is tomorrow and Wednesday, in which it's widely anticipated that Jerome Powell and the Feds will not be cutting rates at this March Fed meeting, with concerns about inflation and the price per barrel of oil. Again, oil is over $100 a barrel, and there are some gas stations right now that have gas as high as $6, $7, and $8 a gallon. Those prices will then trickle down to products and goods, groceries, anything that needs to be transported via a semi, and we'll be feeling that here in the coming months. Jerome Powell is aware of that and does not want to cut rates before we really see the effect of this cost per barrel of crude oil and what that does to goods and services. What many investors are doing right now, they're rotating into physical gold and silver. We close out Q1 at the end of the month, and going into Q2, many are investing in physical gold and silver and have concerns about the Feds not only not cutting rates at the March Fed meeting, but also the June Fed meeting. Now keep in mind, there'll be a new Fed chair going into Q3 and Q4, and many do not believe that he'll be cutting rates as this administration would like him to. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. Again, you can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. All eyes will be on the Fed meeting tomorrow and on Wednesday, the Fed announcement on Wednesday. But the longer this war drags on, the higher that we're seeing price per barrel for crude oil, and the more that those prices will then get passed on down to you, the consumer. Right now is the single best buying opportunity we have seen in 2026 to rotate into physical gold and silver. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you next week on an episode of The Insider.